Buddy, naghanap ka ba ng minimalist house na accessible to Metro Manila? Maaliwalas, presko ang hangin, mataas ang location at hindi crowded ang community? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 9,000 monthly sa house and lot at lot only for only 7,000 monthly DP, ay ma-enjoy na ng family mo ang ating resort style amenities at nasa loob pa ito ng gated, secured, exclusive na may maliit na community. Kaya naman swak ito for residential, retirement, or Airbnb rental business. May minimum ito na lot size na 72 square meters for Sophia model unit and pwede mo ito i-expand up to 2-story for future home expansion. Lahat nga ng units natin dito, buddy, ay single attached house. Pasok ito sa Hindi Pag-ibig at Pag-ibig member. Located sa Barangay Malainen, Naik, Cavite. Accessible to Metro Manila via Cavite. Naman, buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!